of November. Among the American culture, to give the thanks to Almighty God for all His blessings and mercies. Uh, the first Thanksgiving celebration was celebrated in the year 1671 in Plymouth, Massachusetts. To give the thanks for all the to give thanks for all the things for their colonies were settled and Indians
Had a full
had a full harvest fest. Thank you for joining us and celebrate welcome
To this wonderful-
wonderful celebration. Please enjoy your meal, Father Diego.
Thank you very much.
They are